How to share videos as document on WhatsApp in iPhone. So here is how to do so. First of all you have to do is open the WhatsApp app on a mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your WhatsApp account. Inside WhatsApp, simply navigate to the chat or conversation you want to send the documented videos to. Now once inside the chat section, simply tap on the plus icon available there at the bottom left corner of your screen. And once you tap on the plus icon, you will get to see document option available there. Tap on the document. Inside document, tap on the choose photos or videos option available there. Now scroll down and tap on any photo or video you want to send it as a documented file. So here I'm tapping on my 5-second video available at the top right. Then tap on the done and tap on the share green icon available at the bottom right corner, and it has been sent. You can simply tap on the video to see the video has been sent properly or not. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.